me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel the way I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. It's your girl Taryn. Today's video, y'all, we are spending a whole lot of time in the kitchen. The kitchen is a disaster. So we're going to go ahead and get it all cleaned up. You're going to spend probably almost the first 20 minutes with me while I just go ahead and do a whole lot of dishes. So I hope you're ready to go ahead and get a whole lot of motivation. But if this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, hello and welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by. I do hope that you enjoy my content just enough to go ahead and click that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. I would definitely love to have you. Also, you can follow me over on Instagram, Getting My Life Together 50. I would love to have you there as well. On my channel, you're going to find tons of motivational cleaning, declutter, organization, anything having to do with the home and just keeping it all together. So let's go ahead and dive right into the video.
Yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
Y'all, I recorded this part of the video one evening after work. So I made it my business. I said, I am not spending no more than 3 hours in this kitchen tonight. I knew I had a mess, but I knew if I stayed focused, I could get it all cleaned up. So my goal was to at least get all of the dishes washed. And guess what, y'all? I accomplished it. So that's why you're going to be seeing me wash so many dishes. I did go ahead and get the counters and everything cleared off. I didn't get them cleaned off, but I did clear them off. And I just focused on getting all those pots and dishes and silverware and all of that hand washed. I was not going to put anything in the dishwasher. I refused to. I said, I'm just going to go ahead and hand wash these dishes. So I hope you're enjoying it so far. The video is it's a real life video, y'all. It's real life for me. This is exactly how the kitchen looked. And I think this was, it was Super Bowl weekend. So Super Bowl was that Sunday. And yeah, the dishes were cleaned up Monday night. So yes, it stayed like this all day. Monday, it sure did. It stayed just like this. Don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to find. tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby?
Now, I'm pretty sure some of you are thinking, first of all, why didn't she wash the dishes as she cooked or clean as she go? I've gotten that comment on my channel quite a few times. Well, one of the reasons why that doesn't happen is because normally I'm not the one doing the cooking. It's normally my mom doing the cooking. My mom feels like if she does the cooking, someone else needs to do the dishes. And I kind of agree with her on that. So if she's done all this cooking, the least we can do is wash the dishes for her or get the kitchen cleaned up. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, why is it that I'm the only one cleaning up the kitchen? Well, that's a good question as well, because of the fact that that's the agreement that we have. Because my mom did the cooking and I'll go ahead and do the cleaning. And that's kind of how we tag team. My sister don't want any parts in the kitchen. She just doesn't, y'all. That's just who she is. And we accept it.
Head up, feet on the ground, oh baby, I need a miracle. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. And in a world so...
Now, y'all, I'm going to be very, very honest with y'all. I was not happy about these knives. I'm like, now, whoever used these knives to cut whatever it is they were cutting, you could have went ahead and washed those knives as you used them. Now, that I was not happy about, because with me in this kitchen like this, I could have cut my finger or something like that. So that's why I had to go ahead and get those knives washed and put away. And I know that a lot of my subscribers that's been around for a while, y'all know I used to just put the knives right in the sink, and you can't even really see them with all of the soap and everything that I put in the sink. But y'all, I've gotten a little bit wiser. I do things a little bit better now. So no, I was not happy about those knives. I'm gonna say that. I just don't think that was a smart move, but we did go ahead and get them all washed and cleaned and put away, and I didn't get cut. So at least we accomplished that.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day.
truly wanted these gloves to work out. I started out with the gloves, y'all. I had all good intentions on wearing these gloves. By the time I finished this first set of dishes and silverware, yeah, the gloves came off and I didn't put them back on. I felt like my hands were already getting wet, so I didn't really understand the purpose. Maybe the gloves are just cheap. Maybe I need to buy a better brand. I don't know, y'all. I'll give it a try again, but yeah, the gloves are coming off. I just want to give you a heads up on that. You're going to see them come off, and you're going to say, now, why did she take those gloves off? That's why I took them off, y'all. My hands were all soaked and wet, so they weren't even protecting my hands. So what's the point? But I will tell y'all that I used to put bleach in my soap to wash the dishes with. I don't do that anymore, y'all. So it's just done in there. That's it. So that's a good thing, right? Let me know how y'all feel about me and these gloves. Hope that you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So leave me a comment down below letting me know if you're new here. If you're not new and you're just one of my ride or dies and you're always here, leave me a comment as well. Y'all know I love communicating with y'all.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
Y'all see me turning the spoons upside down, well, turning them down. Well, y'all see me facing the spoons down. The reason I do that instead of leaving them facing up is because when they dry, if they're facing up, they get water spouts, like a water print inside the spoon, and I don't like that. So yeah, I'm a little anal, y'all. So I turn the spoons all the way down so that they can dry that way. And you can do it with the forks as well, but the forks really don't get it like the spoon does. The spoon, I have a whole little thing of water sitting right in the middle of the spoon, and that does something to me, y'all. Y'all know I'm a little different, but yeah, that does something to me. Let me know how you feel about that. Do you think that's just a little different or extra, or am I doing too much? Just let me know. Y'all know y'all my family, so go ahead and just tell me how you feel. Just go ahead and tell me how you feel about me.
Let me know what's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me. Yeah. about. Run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah.
I'm not gonna be there for you, 'cause you were never there for me. Don't go ask me what you did wrong. Ignorance will never see. No, wasn't it for me? Why don't you just let it be? I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times, not wasting my good. Once you're not on your knees, what's in it for me? What's in it for me? I'm not gonna be there for you. No, can you hear me when I say I'm tired of being no one? Something used to thrown away, yeah. Oh, what's in it for me? Why don't you just let it be, yeah? 'Cause I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times, not wasting my good. Why you're not on your knees? On your knees, what's in it for me? What's in it for me? What's in it for me? Oh, what's in it for me? What's in it? You only got one life to live, so don't waste them on these douchebags, these douchebags, these douchebags. I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times, not wasting my good. Once you're not on your knees, what's in it for me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's in it for me? What's in it for me? Why don't you just let it be? Oh, what's in it for me? Kind of wasting my good. Why is it not on your knee? Oh, what's in it, baby? Just say what's in it for me? What's in it for me? Baby, baby, you never really touched me lately. I get the feeling you're just not that into me no more. So, tell me, 'cause I can read your mind, I'm sorry. I need a little invite to you.
So y'all know my mom is definitely going to check on me when I'm in the kitchen. So she came in probably about this time and she's like, oh my goodness, Taryn, you got all those dishes and everything cleaned up? I'm like, yes, Mom. That's what I do. No, but she was really surprised that I had finished it. But I was just determined, y'all, to go ahead and get it done. I was just determined. So if you focus and you set your mind on something, you'll get it done. It may take you a minute to get to it, but you can do it, y'all. You can do it. So this roasting pan here, we actually had a ham in it. My mom loves ham. She loves pork, put it that way. So that's what this roasting pan was for. And then the big pot that you're going to see me wash next, that was the pot that we cooked the collard greens in. Y'all know we are down home Southern people over here, so we love some good soul food.
This is so confusing. All I feel is useless. Trying to fix a problem you can't admit you wanna fix. Why can't you be truthful? Honesty is crucial. Promise you that I'll be fine, baby. I can take a hint. You don't wanna talk about us, about stuff, and you don't wanna kiss, hold hands, make up. When I say let's break up, you say let's not. So I really, really wanna know what the hell you waiting for. Really, really wanna know what the hell you waiting for. Say what the hell, what the hell, what the hell you waiting for? What the hell, what the hell, what the hell you waiting for? What the hell, what the hell, what the hell you waiting for? What the hell you waiting for? I'll be fine, I'll be alright. I just need honesty. I'll be fine, I'll be alright. I just need honesty. I'll be fine, I'll be fine, I'll be fine. Oh yeah, 'cause baby I can take a hint. You don't wanna talk about us, about stuff, and you don't wanna kiss, hold hands, make up. And I say let's break up, you say let's not. So I really, really wanna know what the hell you waiting for. Really, really wanna know what the hell you waiting for. Say what the hell, what the hell, what the hell you waiting for? What the hell, what the hell, what the hell you waiting for? What the hell, what the hell, what the hell you waiting for? What the hell you waiting for?
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mind
Y'all, I know y'all are saying, oh my goodness, is she gonna take us through washing every dish? Y'all know that's how I do it. I cannot show y'all parts of it. I have to show y'all the whole thing. And y'all saw from the beginning of this video that I had a lot of dishes, pots, pans, silverware. I had a lot to wash. So guess what, y'all? We're nearing the end of this part and we're not going to wash any more dishes in this video.
Take a real close look now. Soon you'll realize you don't know what's coming down. I got you hypnotized. Take a real close look now. I'm going to show you how. I'm about to get down. So keep it up right now. So keep it up. So keep it up with me. I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy. You gotta roll the dice. You wanna change. Join the paradise. So bring it on if you wanna hang with me. Alright. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. Take a real close look now. Baby, I'm versatile. Watch me.
So y'all, we have made it to day 2 and we're cleaning out the refrigerator now. You know the refrigerator is a hot mess, just like the kitchen was.
Show you how I'm about to get down. So keep it up now. So keep it up. So keep it up with me. I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy. You gotta roll the dice. You wanna change. Join the paradise. So bring it on if you wanna hang with me. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. Ooh, I know, you know, we kick it like no one else.
So here's an overview of everything that came out of the refrigerator, y'all. The great thing about it is that it's time to go to the grocery store, so there's not a whole lot that was in the refrigerator. But we are actually trying out. My mom and I have done HelloFresh before, but this is the first time we've done HelloFresh since it's been all of us together. So you know that we are a family of 5. But my nephew's not going to eat it. We already had one of them. We did 5 meals. So yes, my nephew's not going to eat it. So there's no need to even fix it for him because he's just not going to eat it. You know, he's 12. Y'all know how it is. If you have any 12-year-olds, they eat whatever they like to eat. And it's normally whatever they like to eat. So yes, but we are trying out the HelloFresh. Of course, this video is not sponsored by HelloFresh. I would love for HelloFresh to sponsor a video for me because I love their food. So this is the one we did last night. It came out really good, y'all. I started to record it, but it was a little late, so I didn't. But it's the shawarma, rama, chicken, and kale salad. with roasted vegetables, cucumber, and almonds. It was so good to me and very refreshing. And it's a healthy way of eating, and it's a hearty way of eating. So I got really full off of it, but I really did enjoy it. It was very good. And we're gonna do this one tonight, which is a balsamic tomato and herb chicken over buttery garlic spaghetti. That looks delicious, doesn't it? Yeah, that's what we're gonna have tonight. And another one of the meals is the hoisin glazed pork tenderloin with scallion rice, ponzu, roasted green beans, and sriracha mayo. And this one is the pork chops and apple rosemary pan applesauce with mashed potatoes and roasted Brussels sprouts. And we always get the ones with protein. Now you can pick the different ones that you like. You don't have to get protein if you're not a meat eater. So yeah, you can kind of pick through them, but I really do love HelloFresh. Fully loaded pork taquitos with panko de gallo, creamy guacamole, and hot sauce. We'll probably do this on Tuesday.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered.
Y'all, I don't know what was going on with all the onions, but it seems like I just kept finding onions. Just ended up putting all of them in this one bag together, and also garlic. It's all the same. It's all in the same family, so why not?
If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Y'all, I have no idea why I put this little small amount of milk back in the fridge. I should have just went ahead and discarded it at that time. We actually had a grocery order that we picked up after I finished filming this video. So I'm sure that happens to y'all too. I know I'm not the only one that happens to.
Wherever you are, you still feel alone. Always afraid of the unknown, 'cause we are not alright. Alright. Stuck in our heads and can't find a way out. Way out. Don't close your eyes, 'cause we are not alright. Alright. Stuck in our heads and can't find a way out. Way out. Don't close your eyes, 'cause we are not alright. In the midst of madness, we seek to find the end of the rainbow. Slowly moving towards the life we first intend. Oh yeah. Don't let them get in your head. Don't let them win, no. So don't go pursue a dream that's not your own. Yeah. Don't care about what they expect you to be. 'Cause when you find out what that truly means, wherever you are, you still feel alone. Always afraid of the unknown, 'cause we are not alright. Alright. Stuck in our heads and can't find a way out. Way out. Don't close your eyes, 'cause we are not alright. Alright. Stuck in our heads and can't find a way out. Way out. Don't close your eyes, 'cause we are not alright. Don't close your eyes, 'cause we are
Oh, baby, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises.
So I'm gonna go ahead and toss these rugs in the washing machine, and that's all you're gonna see as far as any laundry, y'all. I don't really do too many laundry videos. I haven't did any lately or recently, but I will be doing not a dedicated laundry video, but I will definitely be doing some laundry in my upcoming videos because I'm gonna do a whole house clean with me. So of course we have to do laundry.
Just strung you up on a thread, but I don't need to tell you. Hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Oh, baby, baby, I don't know
This is my first time using the Scrub Daddy Power Paste. Now I've had it for a while, y'all, but this is my first time using it, and I can say I absolutely love it.
Just strung you up on a thread, but I don't need to tell you. Hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your fault. Now toss the salt. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Oh, devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Shoulder, ay. Don't you look at me like that, ay. Like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. Cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your fault. Now toss the salt. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Oh, devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Shoulder, ay. This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Body can dress to impress, no stress though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on
fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way, yeah. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way, yeah. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way, yeah. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that, been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that, yeah, 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 yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky if you feeling a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Tell him no, 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 no. Tell him no, 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 no. You've been trying to cater to all the needs. You've been feeling guilty for so long. Baby, they're not friends, they are enemies. Don't you tell them yes, tell them get lost. Cause every time you go and ask for help, they say sorry, but I'm busy. So you end up doing it yourself. Ooh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. They don't have respect for your boundaries. Girl, you hit too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, clear the out. You got their backs, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, oh, oh. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't
The video is nearing the end. I do hope that you've enjoyed today's video. I hope this video gave you enough motivation to get up and get some things done around your home. And always remember to pace yourself, y'all. You don't have to get it done all at the same time. Just take your time and give yourself grace. I appreciate you spending a little bit of your time with me. Today is Sunday if you're watching this video when it actually posts. So I do hope you have a wonderful week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.